Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to recover your Stumble Guys account here with your PC. To do this, I will show you some of the genuine steps. Remember your username and password. If you forgot your username and password, don't panic. Start by trying to recall either one or two times. Second is check your email for recovery options. StumbleGive provides option for account recovery via email. Open email app website and search any message from Stumble Guys. Look for the subjected lines related to account recovery. Now, click on the email and follow the instructions. Third step is reinstall the game. If the previous steps didn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Stumble Guys game on your device. Sometimes the simple action can resolve technical issues like this. Contact Stumble Guys support section. If you have exhausted all of the options, it's time to reach out to the customer care executive of the Stumble Guys, and then you can transfer your problem to them. They will itself review and submit or ticket. They provide contact information to explain every situation for you. So now this is the video. Thank you so much for watching.